Hello. So this is the next doubt. Group post பண்ணிருந்தீங்க. So என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க? So they said that a body of mass 2 kg. So let's say this M1 makes an elastic collision with another body at rest. So M2 இருக்கு, but அதோட at rest it means U2 is 0. So data collection and continues to move in the original direction with 1/4 of its original speed V. Original speed V. அப்போ U1 V ன்னு எடுக்க சொல்றாங்க. It continues to move in the original direction with 1/4 of its original speed, which means after collision it is moving with 1/4, which means the velocity after collision is 1/4 of its initial velocity. So maybe I'll draw it. So what you have is initially you have two objects, mass M1, M2. M1 is 2 kg. Okay, it's moving with velocity V. This is at rest. Okay, so this is at rest. So which means U1 is V, U2 is 0. This is the initial state. After collision, they say that M1 continues to move in the same direction, but with the velocity 1/4, which means V1. The final V means final velocity, U means initial velocity. Final velocity of the first object is 1/4. Second object, as of now, I don't have data. Okay, so V2, I don't know. Okay, what is the mass of the second body? So they're asking me to find M2 and speed of the two body center of mass, V center of mass. Okay. All right, let's do one by one. So it's an elastic collision, and again, class video பார்த்திருந்தீங்க அப்படினா you know the formula for elastic collision. கொடுத்திருக்க data பாருங்க, V1 V2 we have a separate formula. Okay, so you can directly apply. நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? The formula for V1 we have is, so maybe we'll start from here. V1 is equal to U1 M1 minus M2 plus 2 M2 U2. I hope you remember. About class videos you can watch it. I have told you how to remember this formula, and it's in the handwritten notes, but better thing is how to remember. It's very easy. We start from U1 like that, and here U2 is 0, so this term goes to 0. U1 is V, V1 is V by 4, so V by 4 is V into M1 is 2 kg, 2 minus M2 divided by 2 plus M2. VV cancels, cross multiply, 2 plus M2, 8 minus 4 M2. So I think 5 M2 is equal to 6. So that will give me M2 is equal to 6 by 5, which is 1.2. There is only one answer with 1.2. So which means we have done. Problem is solved. Second subdivision is not required because there is only one answer with 1.2. So technically problem is over. But let's say if there had been two answer choices, 1.2 here and answer choice, then I have to proceed. In that case only you have to proceed. Entrances, you can stop here. If you need more, then you go. So they're asking me to find velocity of center of mass. So we know again from the class videos, you know the formula M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by M1 plus M2. M1 M2 I figured out. M1 is 2 kg, M2 is 1.2. I know this. V1 is V, V2 I don't know. So I have to find V2 now. Okay, V1 V, the answer choice in terms of V I have. So I have to find V2. We have the direct formula. V1 எப்படி எழுதுறோமோ அதே மாதிரி. Remember the formula from the notes? V2 is equal to, maybe I don't have space there, so maybe I'll do it here. Okay, so what is the formula? V2 is equal to, V2 now I start with U2, then it's M2 minus M1. U2 is over, so it is 2 times of U1 M1 by M1 plus M2. Again, watch the class videos, collision, work per energy, collision videos, you watch it. Okay, and you have, what is V2 is 0, so this entire term goes. V2 kandupidikano, 2 U1 is V, as you can see here, U1 is V, M1 is 2 kg divided by M1 is 2 kg plus M2 is 1.2 here. So what do you get? V2 is equal to 4V by 3.2. Okay, whatever it is, let's substitute here. So if I substitute that here, I'll be getting M1 V1. M1 is 2 kg, V1 is V, M2 is 1.2, V2 is, I think I can write this 0.8. Okay, so this is like V by 0.8. This is V by 0.8 divided by M1 plus M2. M1 is 2 kg, M2 is 1.2. So again, I can cancel it here, right? So this is like 4 ladisingna. This is 3 times. Okay, this is 2 times, this is 3 times. So I don't have space. Just gonna 3 by 2 is 1.5. 1.5 plus 2 is 3.5. So this is 3.5 V by 3.2. Hope this is clear. Okay, so this is 35. Okay. Oh, okay. No, sorry. Here you see V1, not U1. V1 was the V by 4. I missed a 4 here. V by 4. So V by 4 is 1 by 2, right? So again, I'll cancel. This is 1 by 2. Clumsy, I'll write it again. Space pattadu, but let's see. So what I have is this is V by 2 plus 3V by 2 by 3.2. So this is 4V by 2, which is 2V. So this is 2V by 3.2. This is like 20 by 32V. If I cancel by a 4, so this is 5 by 8V. So this is the velocity of center of mass. Again, either not necessary to find this. We had the answer. But if it had been, so actually with that, we could have stopped. Okay. So Purida Parna, if you have any doubts, you ask me in the Telegram group. If you like the videos, hit the like button. Okay, so that I can keep making more videos. Any other doubts, join the Telegram channel, post your doubts. Okay, that's it.